How do we factorize a quadratic where the coefficient of x squared is greater than 1? Let's take a look at it. What I like to teach my students is, obviously we know it's going to be two brackets, right? Now, typically we're told 2x and x to make the 2x squared. However, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it 2x and 2x. Now, I know that that is 2 times too big than what it should be. Yes, twice as big as it should be. So that's 2x and 2x. It should be 2x and x. So to factor that out, I'm going to put a half here, because a half of that would be the x that I'm looking for. Now that's going to be the same case with different examples. If it's 3x, I'll put a third. If it's 7x, I'll put 1 over 7, and I'd have 7x and 7x. Once you've done that, we are interested in something you may have heard as the AC method, but a little bit different. So 2 multiplied by 10 gives me 20, right? Now, I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to give me 20, but when they add, it should give me 9. We know 1 and 20, we know 2 and 10, and we know 4 and 5. Then you do your quick check. 1 plus 20 does not give me 9. 2 plus 10 does not give me 9. 4 plus 5 does. So I'm going to have plus 4 and plus 5. Now, the half, it cannot be applied to this bracket because I'm not going to half the 5 to get a fraction. So I'm going to leave that bracket as it is. This, however, both of them can be halved, which leaves me with x plus 2. And there is my final answer. Again, double brackets, and we're going to put a 3x and a 3x. And outside, what am I going to put? A third. Once you've done that, you look at first value and last value, you multiply them. So minus 8 multiplied by 3 is minus 24. Can you think of two numbers that multiply to give me minus 24, add to give me 10? Chop, chop. What are the numbers? Minus 2 and 10.
Bruh.
No, it's not. Minus 2 and 12. So positive 12 and negative 2. Remember, we're going to take a third now. A third cannot be taken of these two numbers because it won't give me a whole number. So I'm going to leave that one as 3x minus 2. I can take a third of these, so that's going to be x and 4. And there's my answer. Give it a go, guys. Drop me a follow.